Hi, I'm Neve, Project Manager at JCB. I joined JCB in 2021 on the Project Management Apprenticeship scheme, completing a range of placements across purchasing, service and within the project team. Since coming off scheme, I've been presented lots of opportunities. I now work within the mid-range team looking after backhoe loader and site dumper new projects, including the backhoe loader hydrogen machine.
Hey, I'm Olly. I joined JCB in 2021 as a business degree apprentice. Since then, I've had the opportunity to work in sales, marketing, IT, operations, and in project management. I now work in logistics and materials, working as a project lead for the new facility we're building in Texas in the US, building the P90 telehandler behind me.
My name is Yoan and I've graduated from the Chartered Management Degree Apprenticeship at JCB. During my time on scheme at JCB, I've been given some huge opportunities, from coordinating a company-wide charity toy appeal to helping deliver the International Monster Jam Partnership in 2025. Post-apprenticeship scheme, I work in JCB's press and PR team as a communications specialist. One of my key roles in this is working with Live Golf. For Live Golf UK by JCB, I have the honour of coordinating the marketing from a JCB machine standpoint, working with teams right across the board. I'm really building upon those skills I learned during my apprenticeship scheme.
Working across all the areas of the business has given me such a strong foundation for my career. I even had the opportunity to travel to Sydney in Australia.
Completing my apprenticeship here at JCB has given me invaluable experience and has also helped me to develop both personally and professionally. JCB are also further supporting my development with a sponsorship in a business and management degree.